Hello guys, welcome back. Yes, there is a very important announcement from ICAI, that is reopening of your exam form, reopening of a correction window for May 2024 exams, that too for CA Inter and CA Final. Okay, for what purpose I can do? You can change the examination city. Let's say you are put it in Chennai. Now you are residing in Tirunelveli. You need to write your exams in Tirunelveli city. You can write it now. Okay. Then seeking of change of group and seeking a change of medium can avail this online facility available. Sir, at the time of form filing, I have put it unintentionally, I have put it Hindi medium. Now you can change it to English medium. That you can do it. And regarding those group, sir, previously I was filled the form for group 1 in CA Inter or CA Final. Now I want to change it to group 2 because of the time permits. I'm only focusing on group 2. Shall I do it? Yes, you can do it. When this facility will be available? It will be available from 27th March. Okay, in another 2 days, 25, 26, you need to wait. On 27th March at 10 a.m. sharply, this facility will be available in the SSP portal. Okay, based on the students' request, they have done this. Okay, till which time, sir? 29th March. Till midnight, you are having this facility, that too for inter, that too for final. Okay, next. Most of the students has asked me a question on this. Sir, is there still any postponement of the exam? No, exam postponement will not be there. The answer is strictly no. Okay, the examination is as per the schedule, as per the revised schedule. May 3rd, May 5, May 9, May 11, May 15, and May 17. This is as per the schedule for inter. Okay, now, sir, can I get a refund? I am not going to appear in this exam, sir. I am going to appear in next attempt on November or whatever the September they are going to conduct, or November whatever they are going to conduct. At the time, I'm going to attend the exam. Shall I get a refund? As far the past scenario is concerned, as far as this was happened at the time of COVID also, what they have done, they have carry forward the fees. They never refunded. They will carry forward to your next attempt. This may happen. Okay, sir, I have applied for group 1. Group 1 I have applied. Now, shall I newly apply to group 2? They said it is only a change of group. They said they may also give you an applied thing. So you can also apply. You just go and check your portal. On 27th March only the portal will get updated. So if you go and check, if they allowing to apply for group 2, if you are willing, if you are already prepared for group 2, then go and apply it. Just check with this point. I am not sure about this point, whether group 2 can be applied or not. Okay, just clarify once on 27th March. If it needed, we will also make a video on it. Okay, sir. Shall I go for both groups? Shall I go for both groups exam? As it is only 6 papers, shall I write 6 papers in single attempt? Just take your time, just spend, just take a visualization. We will always tell what you have done. Let's say in accounts, I have completed this AS, I have completed company accounts, I have completed branch accounts, very few parts of AS is pending. Just take a paper, just take a piece of paper and write down and see how much portions have been completed. Now come to corporate law. Corporate law is concerned, I have completed my FEMA, or whatever you complete, you have completed your LLP, or you have completed your company accounts. Just interpretation, general classes is pending. Just take to visualize it. Then come to your taxation part. Taxation part, GST I have done and dusted, sir. In DT, I need to focus on some more areas which I am not going good grip on capital gains or some of the TDS provision or whatever the case may be. Just try to figure it out. What is there? Try to take a piece of paper, put a pen to paper mode, write it and visualize it. Once if you need to See, everything is done, everything is in your way. Go for both groups. Likewise, you can go for group 2 also. Group 2 costing, FMSM, auditing, you will do like this. If you have almost cover 80 percentage of the entire syllabus, 75 to 80 percentage of the entire syllabus, you can go and appear for the both groups. Okay, it is the final call is yours. So start, don't stop your preparation. Stick to your preparation, stick to your own schedule. Okay, the May attempt is yours. Clear the May exam with the flying colors. All the best. Thank you. Have a nice day.